Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned if you want to see how I got this style. I used Cream of Nature's new coconut milk line. These products were sent to me, so I wanted to go ahead and try them out and see how they worked on my hair. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm starting on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I twisted my hair and left them in overnight, so I'm unraveling them the next day. As I'm unraveling my hair, I can tell it's already pretty moisturized and shiny. I used the Hydrating Curl Cream to twist. So here I'm just going ahead and sectioning off my hair to create my 3 flat twists in the front of my head. So here I'm just making sure that my parts are straight as possible, and we'll go ahead and start flat twisting straight to the back. So y'all, I'm not the best flat twister, twist or braiding hair to the back. That's something I have to practice on, so you're gonna have to bear with me in this video. I did the best that I can. So here I'm applying Eco Styler gel to help keep my flat twists in place. Once I get to the end of my twist, I'm going to secure the ends using a small clear rubber band. So I already twisted the middle section off camera, and I'm working on flat twisting this last section, and we'll end up adding all of the hair that I left out at the ends of the flat twist together to create a top knot bun.
Yo, remember back on the bully when cats used to harmonize like...
So here I'm using a black scrunchie to go ahead and gather all of the hair into the top knot bun. I also used some black bobby pins to secure the flyaways and pieces that were just sticking out of the bun. So here I'm picking and fluffing my hair to my liking. So this is the finished look, you guys. This was just a quick, easy way to spice up your twist out. I do like how my hair turned out. My hair was soft and moisturized, and the style did hold up for a couple of days. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.